see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
TikTok daw kami, guys.
Ayan, ayan na yung... Iba kumain na siya kanina. Ngay, kaisak. Oh. Good morning. Morning, Baba. Komportable siya. Good morning, Baba.
Sa kanya ni Dan eh. Wala
Wala siyang choice. Ayan na, oh. Magko-coffee si Dan eh.
Parang malungkot pa ata yung mukha. Wala siyang choice.
Good morning, Baba. Yeah, ang cute oh. Yeah. Magsasak lang siya. Oh. Baba, good morning. Subukan si Baba. Good job, Baba. Good morning.
Happy morning, Johnny.
Good morning. Good morning. Relax si Aileen. Ah. Ang cute nila, oh. Lutoan ko na. Magluto ko na. Bacon. Yeah. Baba. Nilagyan siya ng bibnid. Ni Danny. Baba. Ang cute.
Baby number 4.
You used to be like this little girl.
Yeah. Baba. Look at you, Baba. Oh, yeah. Look. You're looking. There, people. Hi, people. Yeah.
Na yan. Baby number 4.
Baby number 4 daw, Baba.
Ayla wants a playmate.
Playmate, Baba.
Got one.
Who's that one? Holly.
Ate Oli?
Ate Holly. She's laughing.
Do you want a playmate?
Baba.
Do you want a playmate, my love?
She's got a play.
Yeah.
I think you're a playmate. I think you got one.
Okay.
Look at you.
Si Jen.
On that type of take to get that.
How many we practiced how many times? Si Ayla nag-react.
Puro tayong Backstreet Bros.
Si Ayla ang masaya.
Is she laughing or?
Yeah, laughing.
Ulit-ulit mo si
Oh yeah. What do you think?
Ulit-ulit.
Tawa man siya. Oh, si Ayla. Good, Ayla?
Do you like it?
Is our right hand? Our TikTok? I suppose. Yung dalawa busy na sa labas. Hinahanda na yung ano. At saka yung boys, tumutulong. Tinatanggal nila yung bikes. Kasi, today is Australia Day. Happy Australia Day. Happy Australia Day. May entry tayo ngayon. Wala na yung ating wala na yung TikToker. Anong entry natin, Baba? Wala na tayong lakas ng loob. Si siya daw, meron daw siya. Meron siya.
Yung group.
Yan yung dalawa, oh. Pinipili talaga nila ilagay yung bandila ng Australia. Tulungan lang. May naluto na akong bacon and naglagay ulit ako dito. Yan. And sa sunny side up egg tayo.
Okay.
And eto, nagpapakulo ako ng noodles para sa cold pasta. Yung may orange sauce. And nagto-toast. Si Kat, gusto raw ni Veronica rice. Si Kuya pala, si Kuya TJ, inutusan ko bumili ng egg sa malapit dito ng tindahan. Yeah? Yeah, okay. Carmen, do you want rice also? Rice and bacon? Okay.
Rice?
Pardon? What food yesterday? What we had? The sinigang? Oh, no. I put it in the freezer because I don't have a space here. Linagay ko yung yung sinigang sa freezer kasi wala nang space ba. Oh. Diba? Masayang yung sabaw. Sayang ng sabaw. Masarap pa naman. So, ito na yung breakfast ng boys. Toast with eggs and bacon. Ayan kay Neil. Ito kay Dan. Okay. Dan and Neil. Okay. Yes, please. Daddy, sit here, Baba, next to you. Okay. And yung dalawa, rice. Okay. Si Sak gusto niya bali egg. Yung ano ba? Scramble eggs. And nilulutuan ko rin si Kuya ng sunny side up egg. Kumakain silang dalawa si Jan, di ba? Alam niyo naman, bihira yun mag-breakfast. Minsan talaga wala. So, wala siya dyan. Kasi, sinisave niya yung kanyang belly para mamaya. So, sausages and steak. Happy ka, Baba? You're so pretty, Baba. I love your shorts. Ang cute. Cute ng bow ng Baba na yan. Overall cute. Ito, kay Sak na to. Ito yung gusto niyang eggs. Andun na yung breakfast ni Kuya, yung rice, egg, and bacon. And ito yung kay Sak. Ayan. Ito ang gustong egg ni Sak. Bali egg ang tawag niya dyan. So, ito na yung kay Sak. Yeah, change the channel. Here you go. Welcome. Wait, I'll get you spoon. Yeah. Patry ko to kay Neil. Neil?
Be honest.
Yeah, be honest, please.
Have you had one?
Nah.
You want to try that?
Do you want my honesty?
Yeah, honesty, please.
I've had a few different types of these.
Yeah. Sabi
It's kind
ko,
of like the donut.
it's just a chocolate.
But it's like
It's a
same-
mixture between the donut, isn't it? It's not
Yeah,
like a donut.
yeah.
It's not like a.
better than the donut.
It actually is better, yeah.
I'll be honest.
Definitely way better. That's good.
Good?
It's not like the donut. It's like
Yeah, the donut's a bit dense.
those chocolates.
Yeah.
It's good.
Good? You like it? You like it, guys? Thank you, Zaki
I
boy.
want egg.
You want more eggs? Okay. So, ito na pala yung aking ginawang pampaploba. And, isusunod ko na yung isda. Kasi si Jan, ayun, linagyan niya na ng bagay yung aking asalan dun. Nagtatatulo sila dun, ah. And ako, ito, ginagawa ko na, nilalagay ko na sa tray yung gagawin kong paploba. Andun sila. Ito na pala yung iaasal na snapper. Ito yung nahuli ni Jan no. Ano ba yun? Basta, na-vlog ko yung kung kailan. Baba, can you open the door for Tita Mami? Baba, please. Thank you, Baba. I-deliver ko lang to doon kay Johnny Boy. And si Kat nandun. Baba, close it, Baba. Thank you. Si Jan nakaligo na rin siya, oh. Okay.
Kasya kaya yung isda, Manay?
Yeah, kasya yan.
Hawakan ko yung camera mo.
Sige, be. Thank you.
Plus fish on.
Yeah. Oh, it's really hot. Yeah. Kasya yan.
Sakto parang
Tapos mamaya yung ano.
long?
Oh, no. There's no time.
Well, you gotta be time. You can't leave it on there forever.
No. We're just gonna watch when it's cooked.
Hindi na kailangan paypay kasi may apoy
Kaya ang
pa.
gusto mo nga, mainit nga. So, tapos yung sunod dyan is yung lobster.
Okay, you're gonna pie.
Yeah, may
Yeah.
paypay.
Give you. Okay, it's perfect.
What? Proper one? Do you have one?
That's alright, this works.
This one, it's all...
Well, sorry, Mr. Dan.
Okay, yan. Okay na yan. Anuin ko yung, ano naman, fried rice. Ihugasan ko lang to. And eto, hahatiin ko to sa, syempre sa dalawa, para ma-grill din siya. Ano muna ako, mag-fried rice. Kasi si Jan, magluluto na siya ng ano. Magluluto na rin si Jan ng barbecue nila.
Hugasan na natin itong mga ano, be, para...
Wait lang, be. Anuin ko lang to.
Pero may magagamit ka pa ba? Mga plato-plato?
Ano man tayo? Mag-disposable. Kaya sila, doon na. Si Huli.
Nag-walking daw sila.
Pero si Huli.
Ayun, kasama. Magbabike.
Magbabike si Veronica.
O, si Veronica ba yan?
Oo, si Veronica ba yan?
Huli yan, uy! Ano po yan?
Magbabike siya sa ano? Ready na ba siya?
Sama naman siguro si ano.
Si Sam? Hindi.
Holly off.
Baba, let me see your shoes. Your shoes.
What?
All right.
Shoes.
You should wear leggings, Baba. What if you
Right.
Nah, I'll wear good.
They're not racing.
no racing, okay? Okay. Zach? Zach, ha?
Really?
Yeah, no? Kuya. Okay, go. Mag-walking kasi. How about you, Baba? Nia, oh sige. Yeah, okay.
Kasi si Dan may prom.
Oo.
Dan's waiting for you there. There you go.
Oh, di ba? Holy, ha? No peklat, Holy, ha? No? What? Go, Baba. Wait for Daddy. She's waiting for Daddy.
Do I need a helmet?
Yeah.
Oo naman. Kasi may ano sila, may gear naman sila. Sak! Don't do that there, please. Only on the grass. No. Only on the grass. You're allowed to do that. Sak! No! Huwag kang pasikat sa pinudan. No! Pag ikaw nagkapeklat. Sak! Ang daming ibon. Baba, wait. I fix you. Stand up, Baba. Okay, go. Okay.
Forget about Dandy, guys.
Ready na sila lahat. May mga gears. Pram.
Worst case scenario, maybe the shop.
Watch for the car, ha? Holly? You only ride, on this ride, okay? Okay? Not in the middle. Sak! Yeah, go. Bye. Sak! Go. Na, yeah. Huwag mo na, oh. Yeah. Not yet, ha? Not yet. No, not yet.
Black.
It's not yet. Not yet pa yan. Kasi tingnan mo, oh.
Wala ko ng to.
No, that's the skin hand. That's the, what you call scales?
Scale.
What?
Scales, yeah,
There's no
that's,
scales on it.
yeah, they,
Didn't you take them off?
no, remember I told you don't because I'm gonna grill that one. Yeah, that's,
Nakadaw.
I told you that.
How long before you can turn it?
It's alright because see here, it's not cooked here.
Yeah, I know that, but
That's right. No time, hon.
Yeah, that's okay. We're not gonna eat.
Yeah, we're not,
yeah, it's not gonna have any flavour.
what time you gonna cook your,
Pai-pai because still hot.
yeah, what time you gonna cook, hon?
Pai-pai.
Well, they said about 1.
Okay. You're starving. They have breakfast and they had breakfast and you don't.
It's still big.
Frozen.
Frozen?
Not
Yeah.
too bad, but a little bit.
Yeah. Hindi.
We can do turn it.
Yes, please. Natakot siya.
How would you do it? You reckon?
She doesn't really know.
Yeah.
Baka maka...
You probably got to throw it in the tail. Oh, close the
Yeah. That's what I was gonna do, John. See, mainit.
Ah, you drunk? Yeah?
Lucky I didn't do it.
That's alright. It's gonna
Sarap
happen to
na.
you.
Wala yung tomato.
It's alright na.
Oh my God.
It's alright?
So that they'll attack you those ones.
Try.
Uy,
Ikaw
ang
naman,
init
eh.
ko. Uy, mamaya na.
Hindi. Oh, luto na.
Oh, nice.
Harap.
Is it cooked?
Ito na sila guys, ang mga nag-walking and tapos na rin ako maligo. And bumunot ulit ako dun sa isa sa mga package ba. Yung aking misguided ata. Tapos sa misguided ko to kinuha. And ayan na yung isda. Yeah, okay han, try. Kanina pa siya pabalik-balik sa bathroom. I-check ko raw yung isda. Sabi ko, I'm coming. Missy han?
Yeah, it's done, babe. It has to be.
Alright, yeah, okay.
It has to be.
Okay, don't because I'm gonna put the...
Oh, see, look, it broke.
It's alright.
That's right.
Alright, okay. Habang naliligo ako siya naman dito, busy siya maghugas.
Sikat yung nag-dry ng
Sikat man, nag-dry. Tapos na.
Chop up just some onions so we put on the barbie.
Onions? Okay, I'll do it.
You left it for me.
Yeah, I save it for you. You're welcome. You like it, Anne?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, hoy. That's the one. I'll put that in the fridge.
Okay, not having one.
Yeah, why not? Not yet. Get one, kuya. Kakain pa pala ng lunch. Yeah, after. Okay, dun dyan sa kung saan yung
Oh,
ano.
nothing to go. Maybe one egg.
Sabi ko sa'yo, size 14 to. Size 14 to. Okay. Mag-iwa ko ng sibuyas. Para sa barbecue. I will, honey. It's easy.
Cook the barbecue.
Yeah.
You
want a load of-
Perfect timing, or we're at the same time.
Gusto niya, yeah. You want everything's hot?
Well, that's how we eat.
Yeah, okay. Coming.
Come on, chefs.
Coming. I'm just gonna do this and then I'm gonna cook the fried rice.
But take the paper off the plate.
I know, honey. Just one or two?
Wouldn't you peel it first and then cut it?
No, because my eyes. Oh.
You get a bit of oil, please, Tom, bring it out.
John, give it to Daddy.
And a knife, TJ.
No. Nice. Oh, you right? Oh, yeah. I don't know. Ask Daddy. The sharp one. Finish? Yeah.
Good job, man. I'll change your telephone. Burp with Daddy. No, burp first, please.
I ask it, why are you always so far? Yeah. Never thought that I needed light just to see in the dark. Now it's all the space, nothing can replace. Letting
Ito na pala yung ating lobster, guys. Nahiwa ko na, and alam nyo ba, natusok ako yun unong paggupit ko. Pumasok yung kuko ko. Sakit. And ito yung isa. Yung isa malaki. Yung isa maliit. Tapos, nag-asa ko kay Kat na. Hiwanan ko ng garlic para ilagay ba dyan. Tapos, naghiwa ulit siya ng garlic para sa fried rice. Thanks, Kat. Etong next picadillo. Ito, isasalang to din ni Kat doon. Iaasal niya to. May apoy pa yun.
letting go of you was
Ayan, nalagay ko na yung timplada niya. And eto din, sikat ang inatasan ko nito. Kasi magluluto ako ng fried rice kasi kakain na yung mga boys. Eto, Kat.
letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna say
Eto na yung fried rice, cold noodles, and fish. Nasaan yung fish? Andun. And dito yung ating lobster. Eto na yung ano, oh. Busy siya dito kanina pa. Ayan na. Yung lobster natin hindi pa ready, pero ready na yung sa boys. Na.
No, get it.
Ayan, meron tayong maraming barbecues.
Can you get spoon, please?
What? Now,
One sausage.
That one? Alright.
Kuya, can you press the mold for me?
there, so
This one.
Ayan yung isda. Oy, gawa ko ng ano, sausawan. Toyo.
letting go of you was my one.
Gumawa akong sausawan namin sa isda. Ayan.
TJ, get up for 2 seconds, mate.
Ay, ang sarap.
Caps, I got.
Mistake, counting every day. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need affection.
Punta tayo dito sa kwarto, guys. Kasi magre-recreate kami ng picture. 4 years ago. Wala pang... 4 years?
This year.
4 years this year. Wala ka pang anak. Ayan.
Oh, wait. We'll just wait.
Diba? Insert namin yung 4 years ago.
Like this.
Si Sak ang magpipicture sa amin.
Buhatin mo din daw si ano man. Makita nga ng picture natin.
Kaya nga, asan yun? Sandali.
Makita mo para makapusing tayo ng ayos, guys. Buhatin mo din daw si ano.
Nasa iyo yun, di ba?
Sa Instagram.
Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need affection.
Baba. Call Ayla. Call Ayla.
Say, Ayla.
Call Ayla so she's gonna nahihiya. Ang bigat nito.
Ang bigat. Smile, Baba, smile.
Ayla, she's not looking. Ayla.
Ayaw niya.
Sandali. Sandali.
Ayaw niya. Nahihiya siya. Ayaw niya.
Na lang itong dalawa. Ano naman yung sura mo na?
Tingnan nga natin.
May naman siguro si Ivy. Ay. Oh.
Isa pa, tago natin itong ano. Sa, call Ayla, please. Yung dalawa ko, di ba? May tibak. Can you call Ayla? Say, Ayla. That's it. Nahiya si Sa. Nahiya si Sa. Nahiya siya. Ayaw niya tawagin.
Ayla.
Come on, Sa.
Where's your daddy?
Come on, here. Like this, Sak,
Ismail Babing.
Like this, Sak, here, Sak,
Say, Ayla.
Like this, Sak, here, like that, okay? Just call Ayla, please. Say, Ayla. Is that her?
Ayaw niya nga. Nahihiya siya. Nahihiya siya kasi.
Para tayo ka may ipit,
Dali pares kay may bow.
Come on, honey.
Oo nga. Sige na, mag-ipit kayo.
Double.
Kasi itong isa,
Come on.
ipit's
Yeah,
real.
stand up, Matt.
Say, Sak, ha?
Alright, let's stand up. Ready? Great.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Just, okay, smile.
Call Ayla.
Ayla!
Go, no, you look, Sak,
Take it to photo, Zachary. Just have to give it. Ayla!
Go, look.
Ayla! Ayla!
Wait,
Princess!
Baba. Wait. So you don't do that only.
Ayla!
Baba,
Ayla!
look your hands there.
Bobby.
Ayla! Ayla,
It's
Baba!
not only you.
Ayla, Baba!
Sak.
Smile.
Hello, Baba! Hello! She's yawning. There you go. I mean, that's the best way to get. Keep it photo.
Thank you. Si Sak, oh. Si Sak.
May unlock!
Veronica.
Ala! You got this? Ano si Irene?
Yan.
Yan. I-hide mo. Hide mo.
Ito dalawa, pasaway na itong dalawa.
Ang laki na!
Oh, tapos na kayo kumain. Ayan, nagpi-play na ng cricket. And tingnan niyo yung flag. Mababa siya kasi yan lang daw yung kayang abutin ni Jan. Hindi niya raw kaya sa pinakataas.
Ain't on it.
No, it's
Hey,
not.
Will.
No.
Crayfish. I love it.
I'll get a plate, Manay.
Take a look at that one. Hey, that one, both here.
No. Okay.
Ay, ang sarap na.
Kaya nga.
Oh, perfect.
Kain na pa.
I'll get a plate, guys. Johnny.
Yeah, this is really good.
Ay,
Oh, look at the bloody.
It's alright because... Oh.
Wow.
Look at that.
God.
I know. Sorry, Lyra.
Lie. Okay.
Sorry, Lai.
Oh, mag-alas 4 na. Ito pala yung natira naming isda, oh. May isda pa kami dun. Wala, ang dami naming isda.
Daming pulutan.
Oo, magpipikadilyo pa ako mamaya. Lutuin ko na tong pikadilyo. Para mamaya, upo na lang at iinom kami. So, hiwala ko ng sibuyas.
Matter what you say, 'cause now that I don't have it, I only miss it every day.
So, eto na yung ating lulutuing pikadilyo. Ayan na yung pechay. So, tatakpan ko lang to tapos mahina lang yung ano. Kasi mamaya pa naman to. Nasaan na yung takip? Mamaya pa naman to eh. Takpan ko lang siya. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos mahina lang. Okay. Sana hindi ko makalimutan kasi sa labas na kami iinom. Nagka-cut na pala ako ng fruits. And dito ko siya ilalagay kasi ito lang yung meron akong medyo malaki. At hindi na Christmas, so diyan ko siya ilagay. At saka yung grapes. Pa-picture muna kami doon sa my vlog. Okay na? Good. Okay. Tapos na kami magpa-picture doon sa sa my vlog. Para kaming kukuha ng citizenship kanina nung nagpa-picture yung picture ba namin. Parang kukuha tayo ng citizenship. And tapusin ko na to. May cherry pa pala ako dyan. Tapusin lang natin to. Iniwan ko muna yung fruits kasi magdo-drone si Neil. Magpapapicture daw kami. Lahat. Yeah, fruits. Tapos na kayo mag-drone shot doon. Ay, nakakatuwa kasi ang lamig. Ang tagal kasi lumilipad yung humahangin na lumilipad yung yung drone. Okay. Alright. Ito yung tira ko kagabi. Nung gumawa ko ng butternut, yung choco butternut. Meron pang chocolate. So, ito yung pang-dip nila sa strawberries. So, ito na yung fruits. Ayan na siya. And ito na yung dip. So, ilalabas ko na to para makain ng mga bata at saka ng mga boys. Guys, unplanned to. It's been a years. Almost a decade. Almost a decade. Oo, 10 years.
dadalawin natin?
Yung old house namin na may malaking farm. 84 acres with a house.
Ikaw na pala kasyendera talaga naman.
Punta namin. Pumunta na sila dyan kasi umalis sila kanina. Nag-drive sila nila dyan. So ngayon, bisitahin daw natin. Pero may nakatira na doon, dadaanan lang naman.
Hindi, pasok tayo.
Hindi. Ito yung bahay namin before, hindi man makita. Hindi makita.
That's John's shed.
Yeah, yan yung shed.
Perfect for it.
Yeah, that's... I-film mo, Day. I-film mo. Oo,
You can
film mo.
always put an extension on the stop again. So.
No, you're right.
Ito na yung bahay.
Ito yung aming lupain noon.
Ayan, yun yung shed. Oh, ang laki ng shed. So yung shed yan pa rin yan, Manay?
Ayan pa rin yung shed.
Yung bahay yan pa rin na
Yan pa rin yung bahay namin noon. Yeah, good shed.
I think the house is good as well.
Yeah, good house. Big house. It's a good one. Ganun, entrance. Si ate. Sabi ni ate yan.
Balik kayo Sabi, sino kaya tong mga to?
Ayun ang bahay namin noon.
What the hell are these people?
Yeah. Yan yung kwarto namin. Yan yung kwarto namin.
It's too much longer.
Yeah, that one. Hanggang doon sa dulo. Sa may mga puno. Yan ang bahay. Yan. Takot yun sila pati.
Hindi man siguro kami kita sa loob.
Hindi
Kita
naman.
kami?
No. Hanggang dyan yung aming...
Yeah, they probably could.
Ayan. Hanggang dito. Yeah. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. After natin bisitahin yung old house namin, maglalaro kami ng PS. Ano to? Anong tawag dito sa game?
CTR? Is it CTR?
Yeah.
CTR daw.
Remember the game?
Is that right? CTR?
What? Do you want to go here?
I want a girl. Okay. Maglalaro kami.
Go back. That one's fine. That one.
That's good. If you go on grass, it's super slow.
Oh, the other one. What's the other one? That one's fine. Just front row.
That's hard. That's hard.
Okay, that's fine. Confirm.
Okay. Where's mine, kuya?
What color?
You?
Choose.
What player am I?
Which one am I?
Wait. You're that one. You're
Okay,
that
give it
one.
to me.
Yeah, you're the red one.
Okay, I'm the red one.
You're
I'm
you're
the
the
red one.
green.
How about me?
Holly's the yellow, and you're the blue.
You're the blue. So go. Where's your?
Kuya.
Oh, do you want that?
Okay. I like the black.
Neil's is the white one, isn't it?
I'll go polar bears.
I'm the green. Okay.
Okay. Akin na, kuya.
Hang on, we'll change your.
Have your mom
Can I change my character?
You want that
What's wrong
car?
with that character?
Oh, just like
You want that car?
Can we just run it? It's all the same.
You're all the same.
Oh yeah, come on. Let's go. Let's just
Yeah,
go.
press it.
Wait, can I? Oh, okay, wait. I need to change my characters.
There you go.
No, because we all look
And
the
Mum,
same.
your stick is Australia.
I don't want to look the same. Ito
Go,
na lang
go
ako.
the cat.
Kasi Crash Bandicoot.
That's trash.
Come on.
Okay, Mum.
Then how to select?
Your screen.
Oh, okay.
How can I go
So
back?
there, Teacher Kathy's going. So there's the line. There's Teacher Kathy's going to be there. You're going to be top.
All I wanna know where.
X.
X to
What's
go.
this? X go. Tapos ito yung
If you
pang.
hit a mystery mystery box that comes up on the
This one for
side.
jump.
Pag nakakuha ka ng mystery box, yan yung ano pang
You
pagtira
push
mo.
And then them two
Pagtira, bato,
jump or drift and that's Steve.
Okay, go.
Jump dito ha. Dito.
Okay, ito go.
Go, quick, go.
Break, no break.
Guys, no break. You have to, if you want to break, you have to let go.
Who will win, Zach?
Mom.
Boy, Tita Kat is really good. She made it to me.
Okay, go. Ano na?
Excited.
I taught you how to play this. Remember once you had to go?
Yeah, but that was ages ago, okay? Ano na?
Oh my gosh. Find those rocket boots. Mom, you're that screen.
Where am I? Where am I? Where?
They'll figure it out.
Oh, Mom's
Okay,
coming
okay.
first.
And the second one.
Mom's coming fourth.
Hey, Kathy.
Where are you going, Mom?
I don't know. Where's the road? Where's the road?
You're that screen.
Ano na to?
Mom, you're the top screen.
Wrong. Where's the screen?
Mana, you're last.
Okay, this is the right one.
Going the wrong way.
This is really hard.
Oh, why this is so hard?
Kuya.
Yeah.
Hoy, sino yung umano sa akin? Ah!
Can you please help me?
Hoy, sino yung...
This is really hard.
Kuya, can you...
Why I can't see the road?
I don't know.
Who's in the first box?
Me.
Mom.
Who's second?
Okay, is that alright now, Kuya?
I'll let you
I'm second. I'm the polar bear.
Where's going?
Where's everyone going? Where's everyone going? Where's everyone going?
What happened to me?
Oh my
I
gosh,
blew you
someone
up.
just hit me as well.
Okay, Kuya, ako na. Where's...
Press circle. Just follow the road. Just
Okay, follow the road.
That's not that easy, Kuya, following this road. This is
Follow the yellow.
Follow the road.
Do right.
Who's winning?
What is the road?
Who's number 5? Who's the second box?
Me.
Raz is with him.
That's me. I'm the
Raise
polar bear.
Are she ready?
Kathy, please.
She's
Well,
Let me down. Come on.
well, she already practiced this one.
No, I did not. She was playing.
Which one are you in, Kathy?
I was the
Where's
boss.
the road? Where's the road? Where's the right one? Where's the right one?
Oh, okay.
Where's the right
Where's
one?
the
road? Where's the
follow that rocket boot.
wrong way, Kuya?
Wait, this is not
Okay,
this is
take
not
that.
a very good one. This is not a very
I
good
don't know.
track.
Put me in the right way.
How to steer, Papa? How to... Oh, okay.
Tinuturoan ka ni Veronica
Who's
pa.
coming
Papa, what to do? What to do?
No?
Do I get this
I
box?
still feel.
Ano na yan?
The Kathy is coming second.
How about me?
Oh, you're coming. You're seven. Holly's coming last.
Naglaro kami guys, talo ako dun sa game. Di rin ako marunong mag-TikTok. Wala na
magaling ka magluto.
Sina na lang talaga ako. Gagawin ko. Tawa siya, oh. Gagawa ako ng sa pa-flow ba yung ilalagay kong cream. So, yeah. Ano na? 7:30 na.
I need affection. Doesn't matter what you say. 'Cause now that I don't have it,
So, eto na yung cream para sa pavlova. And, ayan yung mga fruits na ilalagay natin dyan. So, ayan. Ready na siya. And si John, binibake niya to. Binili niya to sa shop, yung apple pie. Ayan, binibake niya yan. Ay, hindi binibake. Nilagay niya sa oven kasi binili niya to frozen. So, yan. And, eto pala yung ating, luto na yung aking, picadillo. Yum. And, ang dami pa namin pagkain. Ayan yung tirang steak. And, eto yung isda. Mayroon pang kabila. And, yung lobster. And fried rice. So, we still have a lot of food.
Holly going.
Yeah. Okay, dessert na sila, guys. Ayan, dessert na sila. Ayan na yung apple pie.
This is not ready yet.
Wait lang, Baba. Wait. Okay?
Yan ni John.
Hindi, joke niya lang yan.
Mom, this is my take.
Gawa ito ni Race. Ito yung gawa ko. Tawa siya, oh.
Cute.
Gawa ni Race, parang may umano dito. Umupo lang ba na? Wait lang.
Ano yung gawa mo?
Ito yung gawa ko. Tapos ang gawa niya. Okay? Siya may gawa niya. Very nice. May style. Tingnan mo, oh. May naalala ka?
Kakain tayo yan.
Sinasabi ko lang naman, oy. Ayan, oh. Apple.
Ay, may ginawa kang isa dito. Ito.
Oh, ayan.
Ginawa mo isa. Maganda. Pagdating mo,
Cave, cave. Cave siya. Cave si Jan. Oo, at least, di ba? At least nag-crunchy. Ha? Pwede. Oh, ayun. Oo. Ito sa mga bata. Get your cream. Cream, cream, cream. Here, Nielsie.
Hey, I'm gonna have lollipop.
I'll do it. Okay, just...
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Icing na pinatigas. Ang sarap.
Dad, can I have lollipop?
Hindi masyado matagal.
Veronica.
Thank you.
Hey, can I have lollipop and
Picadillo.
Ayan, si Kuya raw gagawa ng kanyang pa-flove. Ayan. Here, no, use spoon. Spoon.
Dad, we're taking on that. Holly.
Okay, ikaw nang bala dyan, ya. Ayan na si Kuya, pangalawa niya na yan. Zach, do you want one? Okay. Kumain na siya ng apple pie. Good job, ya. Hindi ko na ano sa inyo, guys. Kanina pala, ano to ni Jan, pagbukas niya ng ref, nahulog to, nabasag siya, oh. So, wala, Daddy did. By accident. So, wala na to, tapon na to. Sayang. Lagyan natin yan dyan. So, eto, hatiin ko siya kasi ang laki niya. Yung ulo ang iunahin natin kasi yung daming ano to, laman. Laman na. Ayun. Nandito yung mga laman yan. Patan sa wait lang. Tayo guys. Ayan na yung mga handa. Tira-tira pala, leftover. Ito niluto ko. Para ngayon talaga yan na gabi. Kain. Yes, kanina pa kami tapos kumain guys. Ayan. Tapos na. And si Ayla. Ay, series nandun sa loob. Linagay lang niya si Ayla. So, yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano pangganap namin. So, hindi ko rin alam. And wala akong vlog for 3 days. Pasensya. Busy lang po. But pag okay na, baka dalawa-dalawa ulit ang aking vlogs. So, I can be updated. So, we'll see guys. Okay. So, tingnan ko kung ano panggarap namin tatlo dito. Baka mag-TikTok kami. Hindi ko rin alam. Yung dalawang doon, ano na sila, napunasan na sila. Ready na sila sa bed. Pero ayaw pa rin tumo. Ayan si Neil. Ano siya na lang ang gising na lalaki. Did you answer what I said?
No.
So, you're the only one who's not going to bed. The two boys, si Dad, matutulog na si Jan. I don't know. Close ko na yung vlog. 11:58 na. Nag-edit lang ako kasi 3 days na ako walang vlog ata or 2 days. So, but yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Wala nang tao dito. Ako na lang. Good night, guys.